Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to study valves of the human heart and how many cusps do they have. Now you know very well, heart keeps on blood flowing in one direction only, and it is just because of the valves which are present in it. Today we will learn the name of these valves and how many cusps each are having it. We'll try to give you mnemonics also easy so that you can revise it for your NEET exam. Now let us start. Human heart is having four valves. One which is present between the atria and ventricle, also known as AV valve. First of all, the valve which is present between atria and ventricle is known as atrioventricular valve. So this is your right atria and this is right ventricle. So valve which is present here is known as atrioventricular valve. Because it is having three cusps, it is also known as tricuspid valve. So tricuspid valve also known as atrioventricular valve. Atrioventricular valve because it is present between the atria and ventricle, and it is having how many cusps? It is having three cusps. That is why we say it is tricuspid. So I think so this is easy to learn. Now next, between the left atria and left ventricle, here also you will find it is atrioventricular valve present. It is also atrioventricular valve present because it is present between atria and ventricle. So atrioventricular valve, and this valve is having two cusps. That is why we say bicuspid valve, also known as mitral valve. So first of all, simple you should learn it. Okay, there are two types of AV valve. One is tricuspid, another is bicuspid. So name is giving you learning how many cusps do they have. Clear? Bicuspid is also known as mitral valve. Learning you can remember 32 formula, 32. The first 3 will come and then 2. So here you can write 3 and here you can write 2, 32. Clear? So I think so AV valve concept is easy for you. Now the semilunar valve which is present at the beginning of the pulmonary trunk and at the dorsal aorta. So see here, this is the from right ventricle the pulmonary trunk is starting. From right ventricle pulmonary trunk is starting, and here the valve is present known as semilunar valve. Semilunar valve. And it is because at the beginning of the pulmonary trunk we say pulmonary semilunar valve. It is also having three cusps. Clear? Next, from here you can see this is the dorsal aorta starting. Dorsal aorta. So this is aortic semilunar valve. And aortic semilunar valve is also having three cusps. So basically total four valves are present. Four valves are present. One is tricuspid valve, one is bicuspid, then semilunar valve at the beginning of the pulmonary and semilunar valve at the beginning of the aorta. And all are tricuspid, means all are having three cusps except mitral valve which is having two cusps. Clear? Only mitral valve is having two cusps. Now see the mnemonics. See here. Learning tips. Try before buying means tricuspid is having three cusps, bicuspid is having two cusps, and semilunar valve, whether pulmonary or aortic, they all are having three cusps. So number 3 tricuspid, 2 bicuspid, pulmonary 3, semilunar also 3. Another learning you can learn this way, formula you can learn it, 3-2-3-3 rule. 3-2-3-3 rule you can make it, and I hope so it might be helpful for you. So in this video we have tried to make you learn all the given the mnemonics so that you can learn all the valves of the heart. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to the channel for more easy biology concept, NEET tricks and exam oriented learning. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.